Hello everyone and welcome to the Animal Kingdom. Today's video is about the KEA, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and ring the bell for more Animal Kingdom videos.
The KEA is a species of large parrot in the family Nestoridae.
They are found in the forested and mountainous regions of the South Island of New Zealand. They are mostly olive green with a bright orange under the wings and have a large, narrow, curved grey-brown beak. The KEA is a large parrot, about 48 centimeters or 19 inches long, and weighs between 800 grams and 1 kilogram.
Males are usually larger than females.
The KEA is one of 10 parrot species native to New Zealand. They are no longer found in New Zealand's North Island. However, subfossils of KEA bones have been found throughout much of the North Island, indicating that they once ranged there.
KEA are social animals and live in groups of up to 13 birds.
KEA's nests are usually positioned on the ground underneath large beech trees. Beech trees are a group of 43 species of trees and shrubs which are found in the southern hemisphere.
Nests can also be found in rocky crevices or dug burrows between roots. These nests have tunnels leading back 1 to 6 meters into a large chamber, which are furnished with lichens, moss, ferns, and rotting wood. The average lifespan of the KEA in the wild is about 7 years. However, the oldest known KEA in captivity was 50 years old in 2008.
KEA are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter.
Their diet consists of more than 40 plant species, beetle larvae, other birds, and mammals such as sheep and rabbits. In the mid-1860s, sheep suffering from unusual wounds on their sides were noticed by sheep farmers. Although some supposed the cause was a new disease, suspicion soon fell on the KEA.
In August 1992, KEA attacking a sheep were captured on video. This confirmed what many scientists had long suspected, that the KEA uses its powerful curved beak and claws to rip through the layer of wool and eat the fat from the back of the animal. Though the bird does not directly kill the sheep, death can result from infections or accidents suffered by animals when trying to escape. The New Zealand government paid a bounty for KEA bills because the bird preyed upon livestock.
It was intended that hunters would kill KEA only on the farms and council areas, but some hunted them in national parks and in Westland, where they were officially protected. More than 150,000 KEA were killed. Therefore, in 1970, the bounty was lifted.
In 1986, the KEA was given full protection under New Zealand's Wildlife Act.
KEA are called the Clown of the Mountains, as they will investigate backpacks, boots, skis, snowboards, and even cars.
Their curiosity leads them to peck and carry away unguarded items of clothing or to pry apart rubber parts of cars. A KEA has even been reported to have flown off with a tourist's passport while he was visiting Fiordland National Park. Did you know that a group of KEA is called a circus?
KEA are known for their intelligence and curiosity. They can solve logical puzzles, such as pushing and pulling things in a certain order to get to food, and will work together to achieve a certain objective.
KEA are classified as nationally endangered in the New Zealand Threat Classification System and in the IUCN Red List, and they are protected by law. The current estimates suggest a population of between 3,000 and 7,000 individuals. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to subscribe, and to watch more Animal Kingdom videos, click here or here.